Here's a nicely refurbished 3-slot payphone made by Western Electric for the Bell system. This one's all black. It also dates from 1959. All black phones were pretty common for Western Electrics all the way up until the late 50s or so. There wasn't a lot of chrome on the phones before then. This one's no exception. It has the black bake light and stainless steel coin return bull bucket. It also has an older style Western Electric vault door that's painted black. The middle sign and the top sign holders are black, as is the receiver arm. Looks like a really nice phone in person. The sign is actually a postcard made for the Bell system that they used to send out their customers. I resized it, put it on this phone. I think it looks nice. The dial instructions here do exactly as it says. You have to wait for the dial tone. In other words, when you pick up the receiver, there's no dial tone. Once you put a dime in or 2 nickels, the dial tone is released, and you can go ahead and make your call. So what happens here is we pick up the receiver, we'll put a dime in, we'll go ahead and dial. If you change your mind or nobody answers the phone, with an elapsed time of about 40 seconds from the time you picked up the receiver, when you hang up, the coin will be returned. There you go. The nickel lockup feature also works. It takes a dime, as I said earlier. 1 nickel won't do it. So what happens is when you deposit the nickel, it's held. When you put the second nickel in, it pushes it through. Now you can go ahead and dial your number. Now the phone's ringing. With an elapsed time of about 40 seconds, somebody will pick up the phone or it'll go to an answer machine. That'll simulate that the call has been put through by the phone company, and the coin, or coins rather, will be collected in the coin box for the phone company. So with that being said, as you can see, very nice phone. Completely refurbished, ready to plug in and work at your home. Alright, I'm leaving a message now. Check, 1, 2. Check, check, 1, 2. The coins will be collected. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Any questions? Give me a phone call or visit my website. Have a good day.